I'm going to make this one really short and sweet. First one of the day. I voted for Kamala. I am so proud. It's time for us to end this reign of terror and to move our country forward and to root out this entrenched overt corruption. That's what Trump stands for. I listened to her speech last night and I was so moved. It was powerful and positive and on point and charming. And I saw a clip of a Trump rally in Michigan. And this is what he said. He said, everything is so bad, and if you elect me, I will fix everything. You fucking morons standing behind this criminal, this clown, this charlatan, this unctuous, lying, cheating, insurrectionist felon. One day, and I hope, man, he loses, it's over, we move forward, and one day, you can, as it's all revealed now, as it's finally free to go after and reveal what a bad, evil mother this guy is. And you're captured, whoever you are, standing behind this schmuck, and you're there with your banners and you're jumping up and down listening to this asshole say stupidity. And you can try to rewrite history and explain how you didn't realize. No, you all realize. He told you over and over and over again this last 2 weeks. He doubled and tripled down. Watermelon, Puerto Rico's trash, guns at Liz Cheney, Comrade Kamala, she's the Antichrist, she's Satan, she's garbage, I'm driving in a garbage truck. You support this vitriol, this behavior? Shame on all of you. That's what this is about too. Whether it's supreme entitlement, supreme racism, needing to feel you're with the bully, whatever it is that has gotten you off, and it gets you off, right? Lock her up. Hunter Biden, you don't even know what you're talking about. If Obama had taken the Secret Service to his place in Martha's Vineyard and ordered them, they went to his store next door, and they all had the largest sub sandwich, the most expensive sub sandwich, and they all had a specialty brownie and an expensive frozen drink on the United States of America. See, aren't you already? Oh my God, I just made that up. But Trump has just bilked the country out of hundreds of millions of dollars, going to his hotels and homes and putting the Secret Service up, right? Oh, that's okay. His family received billions of dollars from the Saudis, and they received hundreds of millions of dollars directly from Putin and projects in Russia, right? He declares he's going to give Elon Musk a position, and Elon Musk is funding and paying people to go get out the vote. Not even volunteers, just buy everything. We're talking about overt criminality. I voted against it today. The Supreme Court has become the supreme corrupt. And they don't think there's anything we can do about it, but the United States has a duty to have honest judges. And ultimately, if they're not, they violated their oath of office in the good behavior clause, and we can take action. Oh, no, you can't. Oh, yes, we can. You're going to hear more and more from me about this. For right now, go Kamala. I'm a proud American. Thumbs up for feet up. Thank you.